What's up, Trader's Edge? It's Mark Sebastian. I am your only option. And we're here with a reaction to what just happened in Broadcom earnings. So, with that, let's dig in. All right, Broadcom earnings are out. And I got to tell you, folks, so far, not so good. Let's take a look at what they were expecting. Well, Broadcom closed down $1.30, 152.82. They were pricing in about $9.50 of movement for Broadcom. If you look at the earnings analysis, normally they price in about a 4.95% move. Slightly above normal, they're pricing in almost 6%. Right now, Broadcom is down $9.22, more than 6%. So what does that mean? Broadcom is currently outperforming what markets were pricing in for its straddle. Now, why is this important? Well, at Option Pit, we don't use the word Mag 7. We call them the Great 8. Why? Because Broadcom has become so big. Look at the fundamentals here on Broadcom. Broadcom has become so big that it is now a behemoth within the NASDAQ 100. It's worth $717 billion. Tesla, part of the Mag 7, is worth less than Broadcom. So we call them the Great 8. So with Broadcom dropping and reporting not great earnings, dropping over 6%, this is a harbinger of what could be a rough day for the NASDAQ on Friday. The other reason why the NASDAQ could have a rough day, well, we've got non-farm payrolls coming in. I think non-farm payrolls could be soft. The SPX into non-farms was pricing the biggest move I've seen in some time. The move they were pricing in with it trading 55.05, they're pricing in over $72. This is a really big move. Call that 1.4%. That is a way bigger move than is normally priced in. So I think the market is expecting some fireworks. If I'm watching Broadcom, if I'm watching the S&P, I'm looking for the S&P potentially drop tomorrow on Friday. And if I'm looking at Broadcom, if the S&P, if those earnings miss, and with Broadcom down, it could be a very, very bad day for the NASDAQ 100, which would mean a bad day for Apple, NVIDIA, Microsoft, Meta, you name it. All right, folks, that's what just happened in Broadcom, kind of what we're expecting for non-farm payrolls. And folks, there's still time to try Trading Desk for 1 month. You can get in on our SFIX backbone strategy. Right now, we're in a breakout trade because VIX is breaking out. You want to get involved, you can try it for 1 month. Link is in this email. I hope you guys have a great weekend. I am Mark Sebastian. I am your only option. Go Chicago Bears. Bear down.